Early trade activities. Patronage from European monarchs. In 1488, Bartholomew Dias reached the southern tip of Africa, which he called as the Cape of Storms. Since he was caught in the storms over there, it was later named as the Cape of Good Hope, since it provided hope to the navigators to travel further. The voyages continued under Bartholomew Dias, who sailed round the Cape of Good Hope. And in 1498, Vasco da Gama used the same route and reached the western coast of India and landed at Calicut on 17th May 1498. He then secured trading concessions from the ruler of Calicut. He returned back with spices and precious stones, which repaid 60 times the cost of expedition. This marked the beginning of European trade with India. Spain. Spanish explorations began during the rule of King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. In 1492, Christopher Columbus was provided with 3 ships by them for exploration. On 12th October 1492, he landed at Bahamas, a place which he mistook for India. Columbus is also credited with the discovery of America. America was named so after Amerigo Vespucci, who had explored the interior regions of continent. Another explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, had proved that the earth is round by circumnavigating it. In 1520, he went round the South America, across the Pacific, visited the Philippine Island, and reached Spain via the Cape of Good Hope. The success of Portuguese and Spanish navigators and the immense wealth brought by them led to another European countries to undertake further explorations and set up their trading stations in Europe and Asia. England started undertaking voyages towards the end of 15th century when, under the rule of Henry VII, John Cabot had landed on Cape Breton Island. He also established the English claim to eastern coast of North America. France started its process of exploration in 16th century under the rule of King Francis I. When they tried to set up their colony in Northern America, they came into conflict with England, and this was the beginning of the conflicts between European countries for the possession of the colonies.